Make getting in and out of your John Deere 120 Loader Series tractor easier and safer with the K&M left-hand step with right-hand tie-down. Built for durability and convenience, this step provides easier access while also giving you a secure tie-down point for transport. This premium step is designed for operators who demand safety, efficiency, and durability. Unlike other steps that lock you into a single height, this step gives you the flexibility to mount it at your preferred height. Whether you need a higher position for a belly mount mower or a lower setup without one, you can customize it to fit your needs, all using the same steps. Simply install it at your desired height using the 3 fasteners. Heavy-duty steel construction for long-lasting performance. Textured non-slip surface for extra traction. Ergonomic placement for easy entry and exit. Integrated right-hand tie-down point to secure your tractor during transport. Climb in and out of your tractor with confidence. Whether you're working in the field or transporting your equipment, the K&M left-hand step with right-hand tie-down makes every step safer. Plus, with a built-in tie-down point, securing your tractor for transport has never been easier. Built tough, this step is made from high-strength steel with a durable green powder-coated finish to withstand the harshest conditions. Designed to fit seamlessly on your John Deere 120 Loader Series compact tractor, it's the upgrade every operator needs. Upgrade your John Deere tractor today with the K&M left-hand step with right-hand tie-down. Designed for durability, safety, and convenience, because every step should be secure. Get yours now at tractorseats.com.